Hello, my name is Lisette and I will be going over the installation for the software solution that we came up with for the Exploring the Unconscious project, as well as the maintenance and instructions on how to start the net provision. Our product owner for the project is Dr. Mario Eraso and our mentor is Dr. Masoud. The first step is to download Android Studios. Here is the link on how to do so, and below we have a screenshot of what that screen will look like when you go to that link. If you have a Windows machine like myself, you will see the Windows option immediately, and if you have a Mac, it will give you the Mac option instead. You'll go ahead and download Android Studios, and once that's done, you can proceed with the next step, which is cloning the project from Bitbucket using Android Studios. In order to do so, you'll go to the project repository for Exploring the Unconscious on Bitbucket. You'll click the clone button, which I'm circling right here with my cursor. It is located on the left-hand side below the yellow button, as pictured here. And then you would copy over the HTTP link that appears, which I'm again circling over. Then you will go to the Android Studios and open it, and you will be greeted with the welcome screen, which is shown right here below. And you'll do Checkout Project from Version Control, which is right here. From there, you will choose Git from the drop-down menu, and then you will be prompted with the URL field. And once you go ahead and paste the URL that you previously copied from Bitbucket into that field, you'll click Clone. And that's it. It'll go ahead and clone the project from Git onto your machine. As for maintenance, the only maintenance advice we can offer is to go ahead and have all of the packs that are required by Android Studios installed, such as the APK and SDK packs. If anything, you could always go to the Android developers website and search for any questions that you have. If you have any other questions, you can go ahead and email us. Our emails are on the screen.